Welcome back to Garage K. In this episode, we're going to modify the camera mount for filming Dirty Magazine Day yet again. And it looks like it's going to have to be modified straight out of the packet. So what's unusual about that? Yo, check this out. I got this from Don Quixote, which is like a variety store. Has all kinds of crazy shit. Flamingo lights. They're all of Billy lights. Check those out. Have a guess how much. You don't have to guess. $3. Check them out. Awesome. I'm going to need to modify this so that this mount is about there. Alright, so that slot that I cut into it, just extend the slot all the way up to sort of here-ish, and then I'll be able to adjust it to wherever I want, and yeah, that should work. Screwdriver and I think it's 6 or 8 mil. One of the hard things about this is when you put a camera up against this, if you go too far away, you actually expose this, and this comes into shot. So I have to be careful that I go up high enough that I can fit the magazine in, but not so high as that I can see this. I've already marked it. This is the absolute extreme, and this should be okay. So somewhere in there. So I need to extend this slot up to about there, and then we should be good. What size is this? Well, let's modify it straight off the wall. This is a very weird setup. I've got the GoPro sort of clamped in a phone holder. Okay. This is 25, so we need 12 and a half. Or thereabouts. There we go. Don't try this at home. That's pretty accurate. How does that work? Well, see, I don't know if that's exactly 12 and a half, but it's close. So if I scratch into here and then scratch in from the other side, it's going to give me a much smaller gap, and I can just go in the middle of that gap. In this particular case, I got it absolutely 100% without question, bang on, 12 and a half. So yeah, we won't need to do anything else other than yeah, nothing. that is as high as we're going to go. So I need to drill a bunch of 3mm holes, pilot holes, then a bunch of, I think this is 6 or 6.5 holes, and then use the angle grinder to join them all together. There we go. Join them all together with one cut. Should be good. Value for money. Today's safety boots are these. Finish it up with this bastard. Now, unlike last time, I'm not going to bother painting this because when I tighten the washers and nuts up on this, it just scratches the paint off anyway. So what a waste of time it would be to spray it, wait 20 minutes, spray it, wait 2 hours, and then screw it to the wall. Just get it done. Alright, we're all modded. Let's get it attached again. Perfect. Alright, here we are with the mount complete. And the phone is on it. Microphone is mounted behind and out of the way, not in shot, as you can see. Dirty magazine day from now on. Now, as you can see, I've changed it slightly since recording the modification, but yeah, nothing too dramatic. I just moved the microphone so that it's lower. It's still not in shot, but it's closer and I get better audio. Also, I have this back here so that I can film my face, but leave this here so that I can film the magazines without moving anything. I can also quick disconnect it using this here. I can't do it with one hand, but, or can I? Yeah, I can, because it's a quick disconnect. So I can quick disconnect that and take it to a tripod or whatever I need. So yeah, that's that. All right. And that is it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, press subscribe. If you'd like to support the channel, get your name on the Garage K door. Details on how to do that are always in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Later.